Hello everyone, Amy here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. If you're new, I'm so glad you're here to join me. This is video number 2 of mixing Aussie floetrol with other brands of paint to see if they perform the same way that the Amsterdam paints do when we mix them with Aussie floetrol for swipes. And today I am using Pebeo's Iridescent Blue Black, and wow, the results are fabulous. Definitely a color that I'm going to try again. So with my first video, which I will link at the very end, I like to swipe on the white paint just so you can see alone how the paint performs. It's not as fast as the Amsterdam and Aussie floetrol, but the results are just as amazing. So definitely give this a try with your iridescent paints by Pebeo. So here we go. First swipe on one of my old records that is not playable, by the way. I do get some people who are upset that I paint on records. They are either extremely damaged or scratched or not in English. Yeah, anyway. Swipe number 2, and you can already see how it reacts with the base paint. The base paint is just Mont Marte titanium white. So let's add in some color. So this is Persian Rose by Amsterdam and Mont Marte Ultramarine Blue. I can't speak today. Hopefully you can read that. That's Treasure Gold Blue Quartz. And there I am layering up my spatula knife, and you can see I dug in a little bit too hard right at the very beginning there. I'm going to point it out because you can see that white spot right there. So let's fix it. Perfect. I love these colors together because they create a really pretty purple. The light metallic blue with the dark ultramarine blue, and the pink and the blue black are a perfect combination. I do have dried results at the very end, and you're gonna see that I ended up having to paint over this beautiful piece. So stay tuned for the dried results because you're gonna see what happened. It didn't crack, it was very unpredictable. Something specific to using records. So if you do paint on records, watch for the dried results at the end because I have a little tip. Oh my goodness, look at that lacing. I was so happy at this point with how the blue black was reacting. Love, love, love. All right, so I decided I would kind of do a little bit of a mix up with the paints there. The Treasure Gold Blue Quartz definitely is a paint that likes to sell up as well. It reacted beautifully with these paints. I love the cells. There's some really pretty multi-color layered cells. I do show some close-ups, you'll see. I can't remember if I put it in at the beginning or not, but anyway. Let's spin this sucker and yeah. If you're looking to get a hold of me, you can check out my website at amysacrylicartistry.com. You can also follow me on Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. And I also have an email, amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. I do custom creations. If you're interested in any pieces, send me an email. Or if you're interested in any of the art that you see me creating and would like to purchase, also send me an email. I don't have everything up on my website. However, everything is for sale. And unfortunately, this piece I do have to paint over, despite the beauty in these colors and the dimension and the movement. And like I said, watch to the end and you'll find out why. In part 1 of this series, I use Holbein's heavy bodied paint, and I used the luminous red, and it ended up very beautiful as well. Definitely did not react as well as the iridescent blue black, as well as the Amsterdam paints, but it was a very, very beautiful creation. I love it. I'm going to resin it as well. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Help me hit that 1,000 subscribers. I'm so very close. As well as hitting that thumbs up and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I love reading all of my comments, so please let me know what you think of this piece. So here are the wet results. You can see how beautiful that iridescent blue-black is, even just on its own. And there are some of those cells from the Blue Quartz. There's some even prettier ones coming up. I love the blue-black. It's so very pretty and so versatile. There we go, right there. The blue with the pink around. Oh, I love those 3-dimensional cells. And the Australian floetrol definitely helped to bring those out and to make them pop. Ultramarine blue is one of my favorite blues. It's so dark and rich. And pink, not one of my favorite colors, but when mixed with blue, creating different shades of purple, as you can see throughout. There's various little undertones, which I love. So be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this beautiful piece. Okay, here are the dried results. Right away, you'll notice that the dark red label bled through that white paint. I have been painting on records for quite a while now. I have painted on all different colors of labels, and I've never ever had the label bleed through. Ugh! So what I'm definitely going to be trying to do in the future is either peeling those labels off and painting them, or adding a top coat just on the label. I was so upset because the piece turned out absolutely beautiful. All right, everyone, see you in the next video. Bye!